Alrighty guys, before the video gets underway, I have to do a little shameless plug and to thank my sister for making all of the merch, designing the merch, buying the equipment to make the merch. So if you like what you see, come to the first pinned comment down below. If you want to support us in any way, come to the website, check us out, because why not? And yeah, we now have Survivor 3 merch. Check out the first pinned comment. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Alrighty guys, welcome back to another daily adventure. Incense, how you doing? Hope all is well. Pop it. Alright, to get y'all up to date, if y'all haven't seen it in a while or are new to the series, we pop our daily every day and try and catch all of the birds. Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres. We have a Moltres, used a Master Ball. I've seen Articuno many times, haven't caught it. Still have not seen a Zapdos. Still. So, maybe today's the day. We got a Litleo though. First one on the daily. Alright, Litleo down. What's next? Weasel. What's up, Weasel? Also, it's going to be another double header. I popped this right before 11:45. I'm at the good old beautiful downtown St. Pete. Downtown is off that way. Look at all the Pokestops. Look at all that madness. Maybe the next one I do tonight, I'll be in downtown somewhere. We'll see where the night brings us. Oh, was this Audino not even on our daily though? Oh, who cares? 2100 dust. First try. Normally Audinos put up a fight. And I've seen a lot of these out tonight. Alright, up next. Togetic. Take it. Also, I need every Pokestop. Bounce Sweet. Destroyed my Pokeballs and all. Everything else. We got a Fomantis. Fomantis caught. And also we check stats at the end. More of just along the lines of zeros, hundos, and then I check my XP. Also, you're gonna see massive XP gains from last video to this one because I had hit a whole bunch of friendship levels in between that one and this one. I'm getting close, yo. Getting close to 49. You can see it down there. Yeah. That's all you get to see for now. Stay tuned. Stay till the end of the video. See where I'm at level-wise. Another Audino. I seen that young goose, but I'd rather go for the Audino. Remember when I said Audinos normally put up a fight? Now, can you guess what this Audino's doing? Stop it. Alright, I'll use one of these. What do you want from me? One of these? Another one of these, maybe. How about an excellent throw? Oh, you didn't get the excellent. A regular Pokeball, no berry. Oh, come on now. Excellent throw, Golden Raz. Jesus Christ. Half my freaking time off this damn Pokemon from my daily. 2100 dust. Thank you. Was it worth it? Yes. There's another one. Clan Pearl. Oh my goodness, I gotta do it. Yes, I used the Golden Raz on it. Golden Raz, great throw. Come on, stay in. First try, please. Man, they really make you work for this. 2100 dust. You want an excellent throw, I know it. I suck though. Please and thank you for going down. Another 2100. Sandshrew on the daily though. Jesus. Sandshrew caught. Stupid Audinos. I'm coming back for this clam pearl. I want the candies for this. Not with a silver pineapple though. Alright, clam pearl's down. What's going to be our next one? Wild Sudowoodo shiny? No. Hello. Spin the Pokestop, I guess. The gym. Alright, what we got? Annoy that. Alright, I'll give you a... Whoa. I tripped. Nobody saw it. Noibat caught. Pokestop, please. Another one. Oh, I just love coming downtown. You need items, just go to your nearest downtown. Wild Bellsprout. Of course not. Frillish. No. Is that an Oddish? Yeah. What's up, Oddish? Low key, one of my favorites in Pokemon Go. I don't know why. It was like one of those elusive shinies that I just couldn't get for the longest, and then when I finally did, I kept getting them. Drillbur? Drillbur can be shiny too, right? Pokestop. Oh, a Wiglet. Let's go. Let's go. Wiglet's one of the new ones that they released with the biomes. And as you can see, I'm around water. I'm literally looking at the bay. I don't know what this is, but I don't know. It's downtown St. Petersburg, Florida. We got a Wiglet. Machop. Machop on the daily. That's right. Cool. I'm gonna chop down, bet. Hey. I think I saw an event for this thing coming up on the 26th of May. I don't know when this will be posted, but nonetheless, an event. Mischievous, no shiny. Off the daily. So, oh, look at all this water. Like back in the neighborhood, there's like nothing. Yeah, this gotta be a Drillbur nest. Take these Pokestops. Where's the spawn at, though? How much time we got left? 4.5 minutes. Let's make it happen, Captain. Flabebe off the daily. Whew. First try. Oh, it feels weird to say first try, man. You're in Cairo. What are you doing? What park is this, man? Alright, it's cool. I'm entering into the wilderness of this park here. Could not find the name at the front of the entrance here. Wild Duskull. You know what? Let's go ahead and do one of these. Cranidos. No shiny. Alright, Cranidos down. Zigzagging the way through this Little park. My spawn is MIA. Cottony. Yo, shiny, let's go. Yo, another one. I got one of these. I think this is my third one. I think this is my third one. Don't hold me to it though. If I remember, I'll try and check at the end of the video. But shiny, cottony nonetheless. Shundo? No. Wow. Look at you go, buddy. Why can't I get a shiny that I need though? Like Gulpin. Ghastly. Oh, I need this trainer. Really need that trainer. Not trainer, Team Rocket Grunt. My next spawn. Hello? Did I miss it? Oh, it's in the Gulpin. It's a time pull. Alright, Cactia. I need your candies for sure. No. Yes. I need your candies. It's one of my faves for real right here. Ooh, Pokestops, Pokestops. Yes, yes. Give me all of them. Tepig. No shiny, but it's tiny. Drillbur. No shiny. Oddish. Alright, yo. About to start a countdown. We got a Meowth. Meowth is probably going to be the last one. Alright, Meowth goes down. 500 dust, I'll take it. About 20 seconds left. Pokestops at least. Come on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right at the end, another buzzer beater. It's gonna be a Lillipup. That's crazy. That's funny. Alright. I'm trying to hide from the wind here. We'll do a evaluation. What's the best Pokemon on today's adventure? 15 Pokemon caught, 796 meters. Today's oh yeah, obviously the Cottony. The Cottony on our daily shiny. Yeah. Shiny Cottony. While I'm remembering. Alright, I was right. I had two of them, so the one I caught just now was my third one. And this is what it looks like. Evolved, shiny. Spin around. Cool. Yeah. Alright, let's check. Check stats. Zeros and hundos. See more. Come on. See more. Thank you. No new zeros. No new hundos. I did, however, get this on Calm Day. I don't know, something to boast about, I guess, right? And then my XP, 18,095,000 XP. Grinding to 50. Thank you for tuning in with me, yo. It's been an adventure so far. Stay tuned. We have a Moltres. Still looking for Articuno and Zapdos, and this is definitely going to help the Masterwork research, which will give us another Master Ball. Shiny check before we get out of here. No. Okay, maybe last hundo check. I mean, damn fucking close. Shit. Alright. Alright, that's going to be it for today's adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Mewtwo. Yup, that's what we got.